Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm drawing a unicorn. Let's draw and paint together. I'm drawing unicorn head and hair. I'm going to paint the hair with rainbow colors. I'm drawing the body and the legs of unicorn. Now, I'm drawing the tail. I'm going to paint the tail with rainbow colors too. Let's paint pink, red, brown, orange, purple, green, blue, yellow, red, yellow, orange, light blue, green. Unicorn looks so colorful. See you on next video.